Lenyanja or Chinyanja. In this episode, we're going to talk about counting or numbers in Chinyanja. 1 is Chimozi, 2 is Chibili, 3 Chitatu, 4 Chinai, 5 Chisanu, 6 Chisanu na Chimozi, meaning 5 and the 1. 7 is Chisanu na Chibili, 8 is Chisanu na Chitatu, 9 is Chisanu na Chinai, 10 is Kumi. Now, pronunciation might vary depending on location and from person to person. Some people might say 1 as Imozi, and then some people might say 2 as Ibiri or Vibiri. So that depends with location. And now we move from 11 to 20. 11 is Kumi na Chimozi, meaning a 10 and a 1. 12 is Kumi na Chibili. 13 is Kumi na Chitatu. 14 is Kumi na Chinai. 15 is Kumi na Chisanu. 16 is Kumi na Chisanu na Chimozi, meaning a 10, 5, and a 1. 17 is Kumi na Chisanu na Chibili. 18 is Kumi na Chisanu na Chitatu. 19 is Kumi na Chisanu na Chinai. 20 is Makumi Abiri, meaning 2 tens. And now from 21 to 100. 21 is Makumi Abiri na Chimozi, meaning 2 tens and a 1. 22 is Makumi Abiri na Chibili. 23 up to 29 is the same principle. You just add 2 tens and a single number. 30 is Makumi ya Tatu, meaning 3 tens. 31 is Makumi ya Tatu na Chimozi, meaning the 3 tens and the 1. 40 is Makumi ya Nai. 50 is Makumi ya Sanu. 60 is Makumi ya Sanu na Kumi Imozi. 70 is Makumi ya Sanu na Makumi Abiri. 80 is Makumi ya Sanu na Makumi ya Tatu. 90 is Makumi ya Sanu na Makumi ya Nai. 100 is Makumi Kumi, meaning 2 tens or Zana. 1,000 is Chikwizi.